So we're going to talk about what happens when certain sites get blocked or you get messages that say you're unable to connect. And we're going to look at that with using YouTube as an example. If you're a teacher watching this video, understand that you are never blocked from YouTube. So if you are appearing to be blocked or you're not connecting, it means there's something else going on your computer. Now, what I'm going to talk about today doesn't mean that this is going to fix all issues that appear like this, but it is an option of something you can look at yourself and fix it without having to have a work order and wait on a technician. So the hope is that you can do this and get back on track a little bit faster. Here is a traditional block page and what you're going to expect and see when something gets blocked. As you notice, it also tells me right now that for my scenario of what we're going to discuss about authenticating within our web filter, it's going to show me that I'm anonymous here. So if we go to a site that gets blocked and it pulls this text line up for us and we see the word anonymous there, we know that this is not recognizing us, and so it doesn't recognize that we're a teacher at that point, so it's going to block us similarly to what we would have if we were a student. But you can fix that. All you have to do if you get this traditional block page and you see the anonymous line right here, click on login and you're going to be able to get logged in. I'm going to do that in just a second, but I also want to show you what happens with these pages. So again, sometimes a block page doesn't pull up that blue page. So understand that I went to YouTube and I got this white page. So what can you do then? If you go to the website lsaccess.me, you're going to get one of these two pages. Either one of them does the exact same thing, it just looks a little bit different. So what this is doing is allowing you to access the web filter again as a teacher so that you're allowed to see YouTube and other sites that would get blocked potentially if you're having this problem. So all you have to do is authenticate or sign in with your computer credentials that you would use to log into your computer at the start of any given day. I'm going to do it over here on this one and just say authenticate. And it says currently logged in as John Bimmerly. Now, as soon as I go back to YouTube then, it pulls up the YouTube page just as you would expect. The same thing should happen in our other browser on the left side. And as expected, you see it's opening up and doing what we would think it should do. Now, if I go back to one of those pages that's being blocked, I now see that the web filter recognizes me again, and I know that everything is right. So students or teachers, all you got to do is go to lsaccess.me/login and then sign into the browser, and you'll be good to go with getting to the sites that you're normally allowed to see. Hope this video comes in handy. Thanks for watching.